5K per month with affiliate marketing 100% training PLR updated version 2023. This top-selling 5K per month with affiliate marketing training kit HD video course PDF with unrestricted private label rights. Limited PLR opportunity, you can even sell the private label rights to this package to your customers. Claim unrestricted private label rights to a proven to sell course. DFY Reseller Kit, sales pages, sales videos, training guide, graphics, swipes, articles, etc. Top quality video content in hot niche that sell like hotcakes. Screen recorded HD videos to deliver massive value to your customers. Sell a high-end licensing deal to your customers by selling private label rights to this package. Top marketer's secret code to make a fortune online has been finally cracked. Many newbies struggling marketers think there's this massive gap between what they do and how top earners make their money. The reality is this gap is tiny, but top marketers literally have something powerful that automatically generates sales profits. And that simply is a top converting product. Whether you're beginning online or you've got experience, having a top converting product in the hot niche is your gateway to be a success online. We know this because we've been selling training courses online for years and understand how the industry has changed. The days of tossing a poorly written 30-page ebook on ClickBank and cashing in are gone. If you try it, you'll be crushed by refunds and bad reviews. Also, due to the cutthroat competition, you want your products and offers to stand out from the crowd, which could only be achieved if you sell something of true value and trendy. Keeping that in mind, we have made a full-fledged digital video training product addressing the only segment of make money online niche that's growing at a speedy rate. Despite global economic uncertainty, and that is affiliate marketing, since its rapid growth in the 2010s, affiliate marketing remains one of the most popular strategies to drive sales and generate passive income. The concept behind it is, you promote other people's products, and when someone buys through your affiliate link, you get a commission. As more and more people move online, it gives rise to more and more digital as well as physical products. And that's why it is the easiest way to make profits online without any hassle, risk, extra cost. Moreover, based on Google Trends data, search interest in the query affiliate marketing has increased steadily over the past few years. Between 2015 and 2023, the search interest is up over 200%. The closer you look, the more you realize that affiliate marketing really is the perfect way to dip your toes into the world of making money online. A quick and inexpensive method of making money without the hassle of actually selling a product. Affiliate marketing has an undeniable draw for those looking to increase their income online. Another thing is affiliate marketing is one of the few industries where the impact of the coronavirus has presented affiliate marketers with better opportunities. The financial outbreak has resulted in increasing financial uncertainty and higher unemployment. These uncertain times have worried people about their financial futures, making them seek alternative money-making opportunities. And as affiliate marketing is trending, a free source to make passive income easily, more and more people are drawn towards it, seeking that financial security and the comfort of a laptop lifestyle. Hence it is clear how a complete video training program on this hot topic will affect any business in terms of profits and ROI. And since selling digital products online is not only the fastest way to make quick bucks, but right now is the safest and flourishing business to gain long-term profits and customers, marketers are now longing to have their own digital products to sell. At this point, let us reveal you a secret. Selling training courses online is all good and profitable.